Come on, puppies. They love the snow, huh? Wee wee. Yep, you guys can go play. I'm too slow for that. Put on my rubber boots. Goodness, we're all busy. They're like, this is cold out here, we better unload. Better take care of business now. Don't be rude, Rufus. Oh man, it's hard to climb this hill in the snow. Whew. Show everybody what I've been working on cleaning lately. Oh. These boots into the porch, so they're working pretty good right now. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh man, it's great. Be careful not to slide down the hill in the Polaris. This is slippery. Down the hill. Jeez. This is the view during the snow in the dead of winter. Whew. Around there is the corner of the property. So that whole hill that we're looking at right now is all mine, ours. A lot of wood down. You can see someday if I am able to get a tractor up there, a lot of cleanup to do. And of course, Josie's going to slide down the hill. Looks like she found a little hidey hole. There's a little hollow in that tree, so I bet there's an animal in there. That one tree right there has a big burl on it. Maybe someday I'll cut it down and make a coffee table out of that barrel. Looks like a big tumor coming out of the tree. there in front of me. It's got to be 200 feet tall at least. Goes all the way to the bottom. A lot of these go all the way to the bottom and still go up, 200 or 300 feet. Pretty amazing. You can kind of see where I've been cutting all the vines. That area right there used to be full of briars. And I've basically beaten it down, cut a lot of the vines. So now it's more visually clear. Alright, it's starting to really sleep. Let's get out of here. Easier to keep track of Josie in the snow. She disappears at night. See everything I've cut. You're not resting, are you? These dogs might be done. It's cold. I'm not going to go down to the river. Not right now. Really coming down. I was going to take the Polaris out. I don't know if I'm going to now. It's pouring. Great. It better not build up on the electric lines. I do not want a power outage. Fortunately, we had a bad ice storm last year. I think it got rid of most of the weak limbs. There's 100 on it. Hey Rufus, we're not going down there. Come on. Come on, Josie. It's coming down too hard. Let's go. Cars, they've been plowing. Why do you keep trying to take a nap? Come on, you hurt your foot? You hurt your foot? Alright, come on. Oh, she cut herself. Alright. Let's go inside. Myra's hurt. Shoes. Okay, unlock the door. Our door's locked.